What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2019 Cadillac XT4 that was revealed here at the New York Auto Show, and looks really good up front. So these are going to be really affordable too. They're going to be starting around $35,740, I believe, including destination. And so it's powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine that does 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. So right in line with most of the competitors. It's a good size too. I like the back end here. Is a little flatter and shorter, but I love the taillights there. Kind of look a lot like the Escalades, and especially this orange color looks really good to me as well. And I think it's a really good looking little crossover. Honestly, I personally am a big fan of it, and a lot of nice little features on it as well. I like the wheels, for example, look really cool and expensive, I guess. And the headlights have all the same great elements like you see in all the other higher end Cadillacs as well. So it doesn't feel really cheap as far as the outside goes. On the inside, you do see a little bit of cost cutting. It's not quite as lavish as a lot of the other Cadillacs there, but you still have some nice seats there. Have a good amount of adjustability to them there. You have an 8-inch touchscreen. They got rid of the capacitive touch buttons, and now you just have regular normal buttons there with a nice row of metal buttons as well, which is nice there. And otherwise, I mean, it's relatively simple, but I think it's okay. You still have a rotary dial there like in the CT6. You have some simple but good gauges there with a digital portion in the middle that obviously isn't illuminated currently, but good steering wheel, good back seat space, which I think actually might be a little bit more spacious than a lot of other vehicles in this segment as far as back seat room goes. So I think that's pretty well done there. Good amount of space in the trunk there. And so that is the 2019 Cadillac XT4, which should be on sale this fall sometime. So excited to see those hit the road.